cup of hot water in an empty 2-liter bottle.
A pan with ice. A jar with water and ice. Now we're gonna start the experiment. So first we're gonna get our hot water. Now we're gonna open up the bottle. And now we're gonna get our funnel. And now we're gonna pour in our water. Our hot water. Now we're gonna put this to the side. And now we're gonna wait for 2 minutes. And then we're gonna put the cap back on. It's been 2 minutes now. Now we're gonna cap the bottle. Cap it.
Too tight.
Yep. And now we're gonna put it in the ice long way.
I put it in just like that.
Yep. Now we're gonna pour the jar with ice and water in it.
On top of it.
Yep. Oh, it's heavy. Wow. Slowly. Cheat it slowly every time. Oh, it's working, guys.
It's crushing.
Wow, it's working, guys.
Guys, look, it crushed. Look.
It's falling all over the place.
Look, guys, look. Look, the ice the bottle actually crushed.
Yeah, it's so cool, guys.
Like it crushed right here, here, and here. It's so cool.
Guys, I never knew this was possible, but there is a science to this. And let me explain.
Well, we put the hot water in the bottle and heated up the air inside of the bottle. Well, we capped the bottle and trapped the hot air inside of the bottle. Well, we put the capped bottle on top of the ice and poured the cold water on it. The air inside of the bottle started to cool down.
Therefore, the air pressure inside the bottle began to decrease.
Guys, the air pressure inside the bottle was less than the air pressure outside the bottle.
And that is why we were able to crush the bottle without squeezing it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when we post a new video.